So there was a crazy announcement for you that Mark Zuckerberg just dropped a bombshell. Meta is going all in on open source artificial general intelligence or AGI. This is a huge shift from their previous focus on the metaverse, and it has the potential to completely change the game. There is a small video which was released by him, and I think you should also watch this video first.
Hey everyone, today I'm bringing Meta's two AI research efforts closer together to support our long-term goals of building general intelligence, open sourcing it responsibly, and making it available and useful to everyone in all of our daily lives. It's become clearer that the next generation of services requires building full general intelligence. Building the best AI assistants, AIs for creators, AIs for businesses, and more, that needs advances in every area of AI, from reasoning to planning to coding to memory and other cognitive abilities. This technology is so important, and the opportunities are so great that we should open source and make it as widely available as we responsibly can so that way everyone can benefit. We're building an absolutely massive amount of infrastructure to support this. By the end of this year, we're going to have around 350,000 NVIDIA H100s, or around 600,000 H100 equivalents of compute if you include other GPUs. We're currently training Llama 3, and we've got an exciting roadmap of future models that we're going to keep training responsibly and safely too. People are also going to need new devices for AI, and this brings together AI and the metaverse. Because over time, I think a lot of us are going to talk to AIs frequently throughout the day. And I think a lot of us are going to do that using glasses. Because glasses are the ideal form factor for letting an AI see what you see and hear what you hear, so it's always available to help out. Ray-Ban Meta glasses with Meta AI are already off to a very strong start, and overall across all this stuff, we are just getting started.
The fascinating thing about this video is not AGI, the main crux is that it is going to be open source. Which is absolutely incredible. We know that when Llama 1 comes out as open source, it will completely change the LLM or large language model landscape because nowadays, LLM can run on consumer-based hardware. Then Llama 2 comes into the picture, which is a more finely tuned and high-parameter version of Llama 1, and from this, many LLM models are built. And if you're wondering how important this project is for Mark Zuckerberg, you can see the massive investment of Meta in GPUs. They're literally talking about 300,000 NVIDIA H100 GPUs. And if you check the price of one H100 GPU, it is about $30,000. So, it has become approximately a $10 billion investment, only on GPUs, without including any infrastructure costs and expenses, which is insane. Currently, Llama 3 is in the training phase, and Mark Zuckerberg believes that Llama 3's capabilities will be equivalent to GPT4. That's why OpenAI CEO Sam Altman has sped up the GPT-5 lineup, aiming to lead from other open-source LLM models. Now, the main question is whether Meta is changing its focus from the metaverse to LLM or AGI. I don't think so because, in the video, Mark Zuckerberg also talks about Meta glasses. After this announcement, many of us only talked and focused on Llama and did not pay attention to the Meta glasses announcement. Imagine having an AI assistant constantly by your side, seamlessly integrated into your vision. These glasses could revolutionize communication, education, and even entertainment. Of course, not everyone is on board with the idea that AGI is coming soon. In fact, Meta's AI chief, Yan Lan, believes superintelligent AI is still decades away. He mentioned that during a media event held by Meta in San Francisco, which highlighted the 10-year anniversary of its fundamental AI research team. Yan Lan suggests that society is more likely to achieve a level of AI comparable to that of dogs before reaching human-level AI. It's worth noting that, unlike Microsoft and Google, Meta is not making a significant bet on quantum computing. Personally, I think if some companies are really working on AGI currently, then there is no doubt we will see AGI sooner than expected. So, what are your thoughts on Meta's AI plans? Comment down below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more AI insights. Until next time, stay curious, stay informed, and stay awesome.